Hello all. So recently I faced an issue with OBS Studio because the screen which was here it was blank. Like most of us are facing this black screen issue with OBS. So there was a simple step like you can just follow this step. I just googled it and this is a thread from OBS forum. I got it. Here what they are saying is for Windows 10 we just have to do this simple step. I have already did it but I will show you once again. Close, open settings. Type graphic here. So here you have to choose classical app, then browse, then you have to go to the path in C array where the OBS Studio is installed. Form it's installed in program files, OBS Studio, bin 64-bit, and this application path you have to choose. After choosing this, since it was already added, so if you newly added, it will come here. Then you have to right click, go to options, and if you're just monitoring like you are using the display capture, then you have to go for power saving mode. Else, if you need to capture the game or stream online, you have to use the high performance mode. Then after selecting this, you have to give save. Okay, after save also, the screen will be blank. The reason is, sorry, the reason is you have to close OBS and you have to open it again. So once you open OBS, you can capture the screen. That's it, guys. You can follow this short tutorial. If not, it's working, then you have to go through this additional step like changing the configs in the NVIDIA processor, NVIDIA control panel, or still if it doesn't work, you have to go to this further information and you have to follow this like big process. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys. If you find it useful, share it with others who are facing the same issue. Bye.